Tang's red. This is my favorite drink. This is so good, and every day from 2 to 5 it's happy hour. Not saying that I go every day, but you need to get this. So this is the Skittles drink from Taco Bell. Quick little review. Personally, it tastes like sex in a freaking plastic cup. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my natural hair, and we want to go from this to this big sexy hair. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve super full and voluminous and optional long hair. So let's get started. Okay, so since this is a hair tutorial and we are going to be using a curling iron, the first product I'm going to be using is my holy grail. I've been using this since I was like 14. This is the Chi 44 Iron Guard heat protectant spray. So I'm spraying this on my natural hair before I put in my extensions, because ultimately, let's be real, I want to save my real hair over my extensions. I could just order a new pair of extensions in like a month if I feel like they're dying, but you can't order new hair, girl. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my head. Now this does make your hair like crusty, so I would just brush through this after. And also, to distribute the products, the purpose of this video is to get volume and texture. So I have a few products that I'm going to mention. So my hair is second day hair. I always recommend styling your hair with second day hair because it gives the most volume. You have less oils in your hair as if you were to just apply shampoo. I already did this already, so I'm just going to be using a little bit. I always use dry shampoo. This is your best friend. So I'm just going to put a little bit like directly on the center and on the sides, just to take away some like oils that are in my hair, the actual volume. We're gonna go ahead and use either they're optional, so you could use mousse, you could use volume spray, or a texturizing spray. So for example, you could use a mousse like this. This is the Pantene Pro V Volume Body Boosting Mousse. So you could use this, apply it right in your roots. You can use the Big Sexy Hair Root Pump. This is really nice. It's like a foaming mousse and you just put on your roots. I'm probably gonna use this today. And my go-to favorite is also the Matrix Wonder Boost Root Lifter. So this is really nice as well. So you're going to need some type of root lifter and also a barrel brush like this, curling iron of your choice, and a blow dryer. So I'm going to spray this in my hands. It's like a spray foam. It's going to look like this. And I'm going to get up. And I'm just going to apply this in my roots. So I'm going to flip my head and do that. Alright, here we are. Got some little root bump in my scalp. Now what I'm going to do is section off basically like my bangs and where I'm going to be really giving a lot of volume to my head. So like right about here. Twist this and then pull the rest of my hair kind of back. I look like a boy taking my big brush, and this is where the volume is going to take place. I'm going to go right behind and leave it like this. You're going to kind of want to let this sit because it needs to cool off. Now that is the trick here. You always want to make sure your hair is cool before you let it down. So we're just kind of have to leave this for a second. Unravel this. It's gonna look crazy, but you see the root bump is there, girl. The volume is there. So in this video we're gonna be using my Tang Balyage extensions from Bellami. Bomb, girl, bomb. I'm gonna take down my hair. We're gonna start sectioning it off. I'm gonna get the bottom layer first. I'm gonna do a very, very, very thin layer. And I learned this trick from Desi Perkins, so I'm gonna clip up some hair and only the bottom pieces are gonna be left out, and that's what's gonna grab onto the extension. So with the extension, you don't want your bottom hair showing as the extensions are laid. You want it all to be blended. So we're gonna get a 3-weft extension like this. So instead of placing it directly on my head just like this and clipping it in, we're gonna turn it around and put it upside down. So technically it would be like going up. So if you don't understand, I'll show you. So I'm gonna take my extension, turn it this way. I'm gonna take the middle clip and placing it under the hair. I'm gonna clip that going up to 2 clips on the side so that the hair is laying on top of the extensions and not below it, if that makes sense. So my hair is on top of the extensions. So now when I put it in the front, you can't see my hair. A little tip if y'all ain't know. Now, next section, place it just like this on the back of my head. The longest weft now, so this is gonna go all the way on the top. And I'll turn around for this one because I like you guys. Boom. Extensions are in. So now it's time to be able to curl. But first, so how I curl my hair, I'm sectioning it apart in the back. And I'm taking one side and then doing the other side. So now that I have both sectioned off, I'm going to take this section, kind of split it in half, and then put this kind of like away. So today I'm using my Hot Tools 1-inch curling iron because I want like soft beachy waves instead of like very tight curls. So grabbing the back piece first, we're going to open the clamp. Grab this. So we're going to open the clamp and just wrap my hair in it. Okay, you're going to leave out like a little inch on the bottom. We're going to hold this for maybe 15 seconds. Okay, and when I let go, I'm going to let go with it in my hand. So as it cools, it's still kind of being curled. Because we're not going to do pin curls, so this is the best option for that. So just kind of scrunch it and let it cool. And then as it falls, it's a nice soft wave. It drop in your hand. It's not so hot to the point where you like get burned. It's definitely a little bit warm in your hand, but you'll be alright. Look how cute. And if you feel as though your hair kind of falls out like easily, you could always spray it as you go. But my hair kind of holds, so we'll be okay. Plus I want it to be kind of soft, so I'm just going to let it go. So I'm going to go ahead and do this section, and I'll meet you guys back for this side. Alright guys, so I just finished curling my hair. I am very happy how this came out. So I'm just going through, running through my fingers through it. The roots are looking great. So I'm going to take my Tresemme Ultra Holds hairspray and just kind of like bang, bang, boom. So right here is like nice and volume, but I still feel like back here is flat. So if you have that problem, I'm going to kind of brush this through. Keep in mind that the most still is in my head, so it definitely adds a little bit, but it's not enough for me. Girl, we want big and bad. So I'm gonna take from the root just a section of the hair with my hot curling iron, and I'm just gonna like slightly lift it up, and it just gives like that natural little, the little oomph that you want. So random pieces kind of. I'm gonna grab a piece back here, put it over the curling iron. You want it tight to the scalp, but not so tight. And look at that. Boom. Volume, girl, volume. So finishing touch, I'm gonna go in with the Redken Diamond Spray. This is a high shine airy mist, so it's kind of just like a finishing texturing spray. So I'm gonna go in, boom, boom. So this is how you achieve big, voluminous, sexy hair. So if you guys like hair tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll know when I post a new video. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and please leave any questions or any kind of comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.